Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, fog lights, electronic stability control, heated front seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.